They would. That would be nice, but it does not look like that's in the forecast. We'll let you know what to expect in a moment. But first, here's a look at a photo from Heber Valley, the sunset last night that was posted on Utah's Weather Authority Facebook group by Mary Waterman, suggesting everybody enjoy these late summer evenings while you can. Good advice. And this morning, off to a beautiful start. We've got a few mid and high level clouds over western southern Utah, a few spotty showers, most of that not reaching the ground. But the big story again for a lot of you is the temperature, which is pretty mild. In fact, it's 66 degrees currently in Salt Lake City, 56 in Evanston, farther south near 70 in Moab, a little bit warmer than that in St. George. Or it's currently 74. Now, high pressure centered near the Colorado border now, still keeping it warm. As it's moved to the east, we're getting a little bit more of that monsoonal moisture getting pulled up north into the state that'll fuel more showers and thunderstorms today. And with an increase in cloud cover, temperature drops a little bit. We'll be in the upper 80s in Salt Lake, but that still puts us a little bit above average for this time of year. It'll be 80 in Park City, close to that in a lot of the western valleys. In St. George, you'll make it up to 93. Showers and thunderstorms possible across much of the state as far north as I-80, but the farther south you are, better chance you have of getting some heavy rain out of that with the deeper moisture that's in place. And with that being the case, flash flood potential is possible at a lot of the national parks and recreation areas today, and becomes a little more likely at Snow Canyon and Zion National Park tomorrow, and that'll be the trend heading into the weekend with that deeper moisture in place on Friday and Saturday. That's when we'll get the best chance of the most widespread showers and thunderstorms that could bring some heavy rain at times. But by the end of the weekend, you're going to be drying out. Temperature for most of the next several days hovers near 90 in St. George. And in Salt Lake City, we'll be in the upper 80s tomorrow, partly cloudy, a little bit better chance of some thunderstorms developing, but they're most likely on Saturday. So keep that in mind heading up to any of the big football games. Otherwise, partly cloudy, mid-80s. Starting to dry out on Sunday, but then by next week, it could become sunny, get hotter, and windy.